it's Jason here, and I am back with another unboxing video. Previously, in the last video, I said that the other video that I did before that would be my last military surplus unboxing video. I just came out here to say that's a lie. This one will absolutely, hopefully, absolutely be the last military surplus video, unboxing thing that I do for a while until I figure out how to move on from there in regards to certain issues that I have to deal with, my own personal issues with my parents, as well as the money side of things. Yeah, I just wanted to say that this is absolutely the last one, I promise. This one was actually a bit of a surprise since the package, it was supposed to come in around the late of April, possibly into early May, and it's the middle of March and it came in like super early. So, this one hit me like a train. It was like a surprise, so I didn't even know it was coming in that early. Here we are. Life gives us surprises. Let's get right into it. Also, if you haven't noticed, I'm in my room again. It looks a lot better now. I picked out the color of what the wall should be, and I picked a more light blue type of color since it reminded me of like the vintage 1980s. As soon as I get more money, I will definitely do a lot more into redecorating the room, which involves putting up posters, putting up the Christmas LED lights, and yada yada yada, that type of stuff. Lots to do in my room in terms of decorations and personalization. Let's just get right into this opening thingamajig. I bought this, I think, either end of January or around February. I got this off of eBay, which is definitely a great place to find some of the more uncommon military surplus that I normally wouldn't find off of Americana Pipe Dream, Mike's Militaria, or off of Far East Tactical. This package came from Armenia, which I thought was never going to come in because Armenia right now is a Russian ally, and I thought they were going to get sanctioned the heck out of. This was never going to make it until whenever the war ends. And with the war between Russia and Ukraine, if you guys haven't seen the news already, if you've been living under a rock, but yeah, that's what's been going on. So this came from Armenia. We're going to find out exactly what this is. Just like with any other package, packaged into a ball that I don't like whatsoever because it's a pain to cut. Right now, I'm currently trying to go through my older videos. If you haven't noticed, I uploaded another video from way back in December of last year. I'm sorry, it's taken me a while to get around to these older videos. I'm on spring break right now, but that doesn't mean I'm not busy or not doing anything. It just means that I now have more time to work. That's fantastic. There was a lot of tape on this package, so we're making progress. Yeah, it's gonna be a while until I get around to doing any other military unboxing or just collecting military surplus uniforms in general. I had a whole fuss with my parents about it. We decided that the best thing to do was they think that I'm not going to buy this ever again, but that's a lie. I will continue to pursue this hobby because it's fun and I like this stuff. The best option for me is to wait until I move out, which shouldn't be that long. I'm thinking about going to grad school, and then as soon as I'm done with that, I'm gonna figure out where to move to, and then I can pick up this hobby without any interruptions. So that's what's going on. Also, I can't really buy anything because I'm broke as heck, and I also have to pay off a gigantic student bill for the college I go to. My wrist is killing me too. It was probably from that one Wednesday where we had a lot of snow dumped on Utica. I was just using the snowblower, and I think I messed up my wrist somehow. So that's fun. What we have today is something extremely rare, something that I'm pretty sure not that many military collectors have in terms of old surplus uniforms. Actually, I don't even think this is even old at all. It looks like fairly new, but we have Armenian arm pat, which is a digital camo that is patterned off of, I want to say, Marpat. Yeah, if you guys haven't watched my other videos, which I will get around to whenever that's supposed to happen, but CAD Pat was the original, the OG digital camouflage, and then every other nation just decided to copy that wave if they weren't doing the woodland scheme or the flectone scheme, or now they're doing the multicam scheme where now everyone's just creating their own version of multicam. Marpat was a copy of CADPat, and then ARMPat, I'm considering that they're probably a copy of either or. So they're very similar. It's a bit more in darker colors to kind of match the environment of Armenia. I think it was issued back in the early 2000s, so by now it's a bit of an older, more dated design, close to being 20 years old. So we're just gonna get this out of the wrap. I just want to see if it fits, because if not, then we're gonna have a problem. So it came in a bundle, so I have both the field jacket and the pants, so that's great. and I paid a lot for it. It definitely does come with the Velcro sort of patch thingamajigs that you put Velcro patches on. I don't even know what they're called, but the Velcro tapes, I'm guessing that's what they're called. But yeah, it does come with that. The guy that I bought it from, he also has Armenian sort of patches that go with the uniform, so I don't know when I'm gonna buy those. They're definitely a lot cheaper than the actual uniform itself. So here's what it looks like. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty neat. You don't see this every day. Here's to hoping it fits. Oh, this definitely does have that smell to it. Yeah, and then the tag is in Armenian, which I don't speak. Here's to hoping it fits. The problem was when I was ordering this is that it didn't like show like what type of size it was gonna be, so I was kind of left in the dark wondering whether it was gonna fit or not. Right now I think it fits. The pants I'm gonna try on off camera because that's already difficult to do. It's very comfortable. It's not as like big or, you know, it's not as rough feeling. Yeah, here's a very weird uniform from a country that most people in America can't even find on a map. It's definitely a little tighter at the bottom. I knew this was gonna be a small size. Not bad. There we go. We got it. Another camel scheme in the books. That is Armenian arm pad. I also have the trousers, but at this rate, I don't even know if they're gonna fit because this barely does. That's okay. We can always do something about the pants later. That's it. I'm pretty sure this is the last military surplus video that you're gonna be seeing in a long while until I end up getting my own place or figuring out with my parents about how we're gonna go about doing this. But yeah, this is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Oh yeah, just comment what you think about the rare arm pat uniform. This was definitely a harder one to find. I had to scour all over eBay for this. I got it, and then eventually I'll get around to getting the patches, but I don't know when because I'm kind of broke right now. I hope you guys have a great morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in a regularly scheduled video, probably some lyric video or a music video or some type of edit. I'll probably go back to doing my normal routine type of stuff until I can get more money to do more unboxing videos. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys later.